to our channel. The Airstream Basecamp is not just a travel trailer, it's a symbol of freedom, innovation, and adventure. Designed for those who crave the open road but don't want to compromise on comfort or quality, the Basecamp is one of the most compact, stylish, and capable motorhomes in Airstream's legendary lineup. Built with Airstream's iconic riveted aluminum shell, the Basecamp instantly stands out with its sleek aerodynamic design that doesn't just look good. It improves fuel efficiency and handles better in a variety of towing conditions. Its compact size allows it to be easily towed by a wide range of mid-size SUVs, making it accessible to more people without the need for a heavy-duty truck. At just over 16 feet in length, the Basecamp might appear small on the outside, but once inside, it reveals a masterclass in efficient interior design. Every inch of space has been maximized to provide a balance of comfort, utility, and durability. The interior features a clean, modern design that combines rugged textures with soft finishes, creating a cozy and practical living space that feels inviting after a long day outdoors. The rear of the trailer features a versatile space that functions as both a lounge and a bedroom. Two long benches run along each side of the trailer, which can be used for sitting, eating, or relaxing. At night, they can be converted into a spacious bed that sleeps two comfortably. The cushions are firm yet comfortable, and the design ensures you're never far from a window, giving you a true connection to the outdoors. The Basecamp's windows are a standout feature. Large panoramic windows wrap around the front of the trailer, letting in plenty of natural light and offering stunning, unobstructed views of nature. Whether you're parked near a lake, in the forest, or overlooking a mountain valley, the Basecamp ensures you're never far from the scenic beauty that draws so many people to the RV lifestyle in the first place. The blackout shades provide privacy and temperature control when needed, adding to the feeling of security and coziness. In terms of amenities, the Basecamp is impressively equipped for a trailer of its size. The kitchenette includes a 2-burner gas stove, a deep stainless steel sink, a solid surface countertop, and a good-sized 12V refrigerator. There's also room for optional upgrades like a microwave oven. There's plenty of storage in overhead compartments and below the counter, and the materials are durable and built to last. Preparing meals on the road is simple and enjoyable, even for those who love to cook. The wet bath, located at the front of the trailer, offers a combined shower and toilet space with a flexible hose and waterproof materials throughout. While compact, the bathroom is practical and essential for anyone looking to venture off-grid for multiple days. One of the Basecamp's most appealing qualities is its ability to support extended off-grid travel. With available solar panel, packages, a powerful battery system, and a water heater that runs on both gas and electric, the Basecamp is ready for off-the-grid adventures. The optional solar package helps keep batteries charged while you're off in remote locations, and the Truma Combi Eco Plus system provides both hot water and cabin heat, making the Basecamp a true 4-season trailer. Whether you're camping in the heat of summer or the chill of winter, the climate control systems make the interior comfortable year-round. The rear hatch is another unique and practical feature. It opens wide to allow easy access to the gear storage area, so you can load and unload bikes, kayaks, or camping gear with ease. The Basecamp is designed with the active traveler in mind. Integrated gear tracks on the exterior let you customize. The trailer with additional accessories and optional tent attachments on either side of the trailer can expand your living space dramatically. These tents zip into place and provide sheltered areas for cooking, relaxing, or even sleeping, giving you more room without increasing the trailer's towing footprint. The build quality is what really sets the Airstream Basecamp apart from the competition. Every detail is thought through. from the sturdy aluminum construction to the high-end finishes inside. It's built to withstand the rigors of travel while maintaining its good looks and high resale value. Airstream trailers have a reputation for lasting decades with proper care, and the Basecamp is no exception. Owners often describe the pride of ownership that comes with having an Airstream, not just for the brand name, but because of the reliability and sense of community that comes with it. For solo travelers, couples, or even a small family who wants to break free from traditional vacation routines and explore the world on their terms, the Airstream Basecamp is a dream come true. It's compact enough to go almost anywhere, yet comfortable and self-sufficient enough to make extended travel enjoyable. Whether you're a weekend warrior or someone planning to take months off and explore national parks, forests, and coastal roads, the Basecamp is equipped to be your trusted companion every step of the way. In the world of travel trailers, the Airstream Basecamp proves that small doesn't mean limited. It's an intelligently designed, beautifully crafted, and adventure-ready motorhome that invites you to live with fewer boundaries and more possibilities. From sunrise coffee by the lake to stargazing through its wide windows at night, the Basecamp is more than a trailer. It's a lifestyle on wheels.